guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me as we continue to take a look at 6 easy steps to teach reading. And we are at drumroll step 6. Those of you who have been on the journey since step 1 right through to this final step, amazing job. Thank you so much for making that decision to help someone to learn to read. And for step 6 today, we're going to be looking at some special sounds. Now, if you are new to the channel, you're just discovering this amazing resource, I invite you to click the link above where I will have a playlist ready for you to see steps 1 through 5B. I would invite you to start there and then pick up at step 6. So let's get into step 6, which is looking at some special sounds. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so now. Please share the video, share the previous videos even as you watch. So let's get into those sounds. K in duck. E in me. O, Y in fly. A in pray. St in stop. Pl in plane. Fur in frog. Tr in train. Sh in ship. In thick. V in this. Bl in block. Cl in clock. Fl in flake. Gl in glute. Br in bride. Dr in drum. Per in pray. Gr in grin. Sm in smoke. Sk in scat. Sk in skate. Sp in spade. Cur in crab. Tw in twins. Spl in splash. Spur in sprain. Scr in scream. Squ in squeak. Sn in snack. Sl in sleep. Str in stream. Sw in swim. Thr in three. R in stars. Ch in church. Or in morning. Ow in out. Ow in owl. O in bowl. In verse. In nurse. In bird. Oi in coin. Oi in boy. O in book. Oo in tooth. Were in worms. I in night. all, in ball, awk, in walk. Just a reminder, we're teaching the student the special phonics sounds and how to apply them. Ing, in pointing, in not, in nat, ang, in bang, ing, in king, ong, in long, ong, in strong, ank, in bank, ink, in wink, onk, in honk, onk, in trunk, wa, in wash, a, in adopt, I, in baby, L, in little, ed, in wanted, t, in looked, d, in played. This video will stop there. So you start off with this list. Of course, you will have them on the screen so you can see what 2 letters and what single letter or what 3 letters are coming together. Teach them to the reader so that when they see these words, they know that these words will call for the special sound. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hit your subscribe button before you leave. Please like the video, please share the video, please comment on the video for all those who have done so already. I say many thanks. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. So until we see each other again, keep teaching someone to read, keep encouraging someone to learn to read. And if you have started the journey on your own already, good job, keep going, you will get it. And I will be here to help you, okay? So take best care. Until then, bye-bye.